everyone, welcome back to my channel The Vogue Next Door. As the title of the video suggests, I'll be creating this soft eye look in today's video. As you all know, the festive season is here and saying this only makes me feel a different vibe. I thought of doing a series where I will create different styles of eye looks consisting of matte, glittery, cut creases, smoky eyes and full-on glam. And of course, you can choose whatever colors, tone down or up the makeup look as per your comfortability. I mean, that's the beauty of makeup tutorials, right? So today's video is the first episode of this series called Get the Look. I'll be doing this simple beginner-friendly makeup look step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, I'm so sorry for this sound. It's been going on since a month now and I find it really hard to shoot videos. I'm so sorry. Just bear with me. If the sound continues, I'll do a voiceover. So yeah. I'm starting off with my eyes first. And I'm taking this LA Girl concealer in creamy beige. And yes, I'm doing a voiceover because you know, right? I'm priming my eyelids with this and then use this RCMA No Color powder to set it. I'm using This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette by Tan Beauty. It's a very pigmented palette and I'm taking the shade Nectar on a fluffy blending brush. I will start blending it all over my crease. As this has warmed up my crease, on the same blending brush, I'm going in with the shade Bed of Roses and repeat the same process. I'm blending back and forth so that the shades look smooth and doesn't leave any harsh patches. Next up, I'm taking this shade Pow Wow on the same blending brush. I'm taking very light amount and I'll just blend it on my crease. This will add a little depth to my eyes. Next up, I'm taking the shade Pinot Noir. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm so sorry guys for the sound. I really wanted to do a tutorial where I'm explaining each and every step, but because of this construction I just have to do a voiceover sometimes, so bear with me. Okay, I'm taking that shade on a fluffy dense brush like this and I will pack this shade from the outer part of my eyelid towards my inner part. I will not blend it right away, we'll blend it later on. Right now I'm just packing it gently. Make sure when you are packing a darker shade on the inner part of your eyes, you pack it very gently because you don't want to leave harsh patches. Always dust off the excess when working on the inner part of the eye and just pack it. Also, I'm placing it a little higher than my actual crease line. As you can see, my crease starts from here and I will place it a little higher so when I open my eyes the color is visible. Now I will blend it with the same dense brush. As you can see, I'm blending it with a very light hand. Okay, I'll show you guys. Usually how we blend, we use the whole brush and let it move freely. But right now what I'm doing is I'm holding the brush like this, okay, and with the tip of the brush I'm blending it very lightly like this. I hope you get my point, like this. So I have very much control over my brush and I'm using the tip of the brush and doing it with a very light hand. Okay. Next I'm taking the blending brush again and just blend out any harsh edges so that the gradient effect will be there and it looks cohesive. Next up, I'm taking this shade Bonfire on my ring finger and place it all over my eyelid. you can totally skip using brush because shades like this works amazing with your finger. You know, it's a very easy look and you can rock this look with any outfit because it's the festive season and you can't go without shimmers. I'm going in with my blending brush again and blend out the edges so that the shimmer shade and the matte shade doesn't look mismatched. Okay, I'll use the shade Pow Wow. On my lower lash line, I'm using this flat shader brush. On top of that brown shade, I'm using this shade Bed of Roses. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use this Maybelline's Master Chrome highlighter. I'll use the same highlighter for my face later on. Next up, I'm going in with this liner and I will trace my waterline with this because I'll be going in with the falsies. So I really don't want the bands of the falsies to look. I really want that seamless effect. So that's why I'm tracing the lash line. If you want, you can go ahead and create a wing liner. I think I might create a little wing over here. I'm using this Maybelline's Total Temptation mascara to coat my lashes. Then I will go in with the packed tapered lashes in 213. These lashes are natural looking and lightweight. If you're wanting to try out false lashes, you can go with these. I'm taking some makeup remover and clean out the outer edge of my eyes to have a clean finish. For my face, I'm taking this Professional Primer by Benefit and apply on the places I need to smoothen out. One thing you should always keep in mind is to always apply the same base products together. You should always pair a silicone-based foundation with a silicone-based primer like this. Similarly, a water-based foundation should be used with a water-based primer. Using a water-based foundation with a silicone-based primer will separate the foundation and it will not sit on the skin properly. So the golden rule is to apply same base products together. Using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, I will first take it on the back of my hand and then spread it all over my face. Then taking my damp sponge and start blending the foundation from the center towards my outer part of the face. Again, taking a little amount and place it where I feel I need more coverage. Taking the same concealer I used earlier, applying it on the inner and outer corners of my eyes and blending it with a small sponge. Also highlighting the center part of my face and blending it with the same sponge. And I'm using the same translucent powder and set my whole face. For bronzer, I'm taking this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula and place it just a little above the hollows of my cheekbones. For my nose, I press the brush like this and add a little warmth to it. Also applying it on my jawline. Taking the same highlighter and highlighting the high points of my face. Taking MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus and spreads it all over my face and let it dry on its own. To finish off this look, I'm going in with Nykaa's Matte to Last Mini Liquid Lipstick in Kashi. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Also, I'm thinking of doing this series till Diwali and I will create different eye looks. As I said, this is a very easy eye look and it will flatter any outfit. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care of your mental and physical health both.